Hello guys, today we are going to install ZenMape in Kali Linux. So ZenMape is the graphical user interface for the most known scanner in Mape. So the graphical user interface, it seems easy for beginner. So in this video we are going to try to install this tool because it doesn't come by default in Kali Linux. Firstly, we are going to install the Alien package because ZenMape it's an RPM package. So ZenMape is the official Nmap security scanner graphical user interface. It's a multi-platform, so it works in Windows, Linux, Mac OS, BSD. It's free and open source. So we're going to nmap.org, ZenMape, and then try to download. As you can see here, ZenMape it's an RPM package. Save the file. Okay, I think that's all. So already downloaded. Download. So it's here. So I'm going to install RPM package. Great. Install it. Now we are going to install ZenMape using the Alien tool in one line. So that's all. Now we're going to start ZenMape. Yes, that is very nice. So I'm going to try to make a scan with Nmap to verify that it's working. So as you can see on my screen, it's already there is another box, CubeTrex Level 1 that you can download from vinhub.com. Yes, it's very small in size. So I'm going to try to make a scan. Firstly, I'm going to look for my IP address. That's very nice. Okay. Copy. Paste 0 to 255. So I'm going to scan all my networks to see. So it will be a ping scan to just discover the host my networks. It's working. Okay. That's great. So I think the CubeTrex Level 1, it's that one, because that it's my laptop. Copy. So I'm going to make a very quick scan or yes, as you can see, yes, it's CubeTrux level 1. So those are all the ports open in the CubeTrux, and then we are going to try to make, for example, an antenna scan or antenna scan all the TCP ports to scan every port to see the version installed, and also after that looking for vulnerabilities, known vulnerabilities to exploit. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.